I think we're in Soweto now.
Yeah, we're in Soweto.
Oh, we're in Deep Kloof.
Able to borrow a car, I'd drive there, get there, and only pay for my lodging.
Drive to where now?
Just
No, thank you.
But where is the?
I'm always not about the. Hello.
How are you?
Oh, you can take me a video. What? There's someone there? Oh, sorry.
This is the bed.
These ones are different now.
Welcome. Right in Panasaka.
I'm good.
Yeah, let me just. I can send you all of them. The ones that.
This boy. This boy is like hustling, but he looks very nice.
He is, so I'm not gonna lie, he is nice.
Yeah. I haggled for my jewelry. I haggled. But I ended up getting internet anyway.
You are told, remember there's Wi-Fi here.
Yeah, but it's not their Wi-Fi. I think my phone is still on cellular, and I get like text message and like high-speed data anyway. Oh, it's a
This side,
Okay.
then different sets of ice cream.
Oh,
Through to this side, it's our salad stand. Starch, veggies, and proteins on my food.
pass? Let me know.
Yeah.
Can I pass now?
Huh?
You gonna pass?
That's what?
Oh, I thought you wanna go get food.
Oh yeah, I'll let you know.
So I'm not the Tewi. Hello, Durber. We both might be even hello, Durber.